Your WordPress username and password combination is like the master key to your website. That is until you forget it. Maybe you have an old website and you forgot the WordPress username or email that you used, or maybe you just set up your site but you forgot to store or write down the password. Let's touch on a few reliable ways to recover or reset your WordPress password and username. The fastest and most common way to reset your WordPress password is to use the Lost Your Password link on the WordPress login screen. When you try to log into the site, you'll see it below the form. Click it and enter your username or email address that's associated with your account. And in no time, you'll get an email that will provide you with a link that you can use to reset the password. Now, maybe you forgot the WordPress username or email too, or maybe the password reset email never appeared in your inbox. No worries. If you forgot your WordPress password and or username, you can reset them both through phpMyAdmin, which is accessible through your hosting account. So access your cPanel or Site Tools area depending on the age of your account, and look for phpMyAdmin, all one word. It might be nested under a MySQL section. Once you find phpMyAdmin, go ahead and select it. And if you only have one site on this account, you can choose the only site option that you see on the left. If there are multiple websites on this account, find the one that applies to this website. This is extremely important, or else you might change login information for the wrong website. Navigate to the WP Users section. Now, this next page will have a list of all of the users that are associated with this website. You'll see the user login column. Those are the usernames. You'll see the user pass. Those are the encrypted passwords. And you'll see user email. Those are the email accounts associated with each account. Choose the account that you need to edit and click Edit. You can change the username, email, and password directly from this screen. When updating the password, make sure that you select MD5 from the drop-down beside the new password so that it encrypts it for you. Save your changes by selecting Go. Now, when you log into the website, you can use your new password. And if you change the email address or username, the new one will work now too. If this video solved your problem, please let us know by leaving a comment, liking this video, and subscribing to this channel. And look out for new WordPress tutorial videos every single Tuesday.